Hello? Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Sir.
Krishna? Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm asking now, I'm audible or not? Krishna and
Yes, sir.
Madan are not
Audible.
giving any answer.
No,
Okay.
audible, sir.
Screen is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Now see, alignment you can create now. You can create a corridors, pavement. Now we need to print that particular portion. The section we need to print, plan we need to print. How we are going to print it? So that portion we are covered today. That is our drawing production. Creating cross sections we are did yesterday, no? We did yesterday. In the last, how to create the cross sections. Yes. Here we have here. First we go through create the cross sections. See, like this, we need to place the cross section in the drawing sheet. This portion we can do on the sheet with proper data. And what we do, before this, I think we need to print a sheet. No, chalo, okay. We are going to print first cross sections. Okay. So this is we need to do today. So we are generating that sheet into our file already. See, in our drawing, we did yesterday the 2D and 3D model, and we are creating the named boundary for the cross section. Na? Simply, we have to do the same thing. We are creating the multiple cross sections. We already did this, but this time, if you want to print it, na, so yesterday we are not clicking on the create drawing option. Now we need to enable it so that we can see this dialog box. Okay, and you can see the cross section like this. Once it will open, then I show you that. See, yesterday we already created the cross sections. It's taking time to open up. I think this file is heavier, no? That's why it's taking more time. This file is heavier now. Closed it. Closed it. Now see, yesterday we did this section, these cross sections. Now we need to print them. Okay, how we can print? Simply you have to go to the drawing production, and here we have name boundary option. See this option, name boundary, place name boundary option. Now we need to print it. Now which one? Let's take it the section view. Which section we are created? A1. We have already London 1. Okay, take the same name again, but this time we need to print. Okay, the left or right offset is 35, 35. So we can reduce it also. Let's take it 10, 10. This offset is basically what? From this line to this line. From center it will 35 this side, 35 this side. So we are taking 10, 10 this side, both side. Okay. Every 20 interval. See, this interval is 20. Every 20 interval we get another cross section. If you want less, you can increase this value. Let's take here 40. Okay. The vertical acceleration, this is when it is printed or created, then it will show look like. Okay. If you want to zoom in, you can increase this acceleration to 5. Okay. Now we are going to click on this create drawing option. Clear? Then select your first point, start station, and give you the end station. Left click to accept. End station. Only named boundary have been created. A view of 3D model must be open to create sheets. Please open the 3D model and go to the civil name boundary, measure to cross section sheets. Okay. Now we need 3D views as well. Okay. Here you can see the cross sections. Now try it again. Now see, this is create a drawing sheet in which start with the cross section. Cross section name is A1X. This is cross section drawing sheet. It is enabled into 1:100 ratio. Okay, you want to open to model. Okay, to open it. Now for all the sections, sheet will be created. See here, you can see only single section is visible. No? This is at 50. See, this is on the sheet. Now You can see here in the views, here we have single view sheet is created here. Okay, this is sheet view. You want to see your model view, you can go to the default to see the model. You want to see the sheet view, you can go to the sheets, and here it will create a sheet. Okay, this is at 5 exaggeration, so that it will show you properly. All data will be visible here. Okay, this is how we can create the sheet. Annotation are there. It is into 1:100 scale. That will be printed here. You want multiple. See, like this, you want to create multiple sheets. Okay. So what we had to do, all the section we created now. Like this, all sheets will be created. How many fitted on a single page? So single page will be there. Okay, like this, all files are visible on the sheet. This is London Road, 50. The start station is this. You can see here the sheet index. This one is a sheet. But we need all. Now, suppose I'm going to our model, and now we have to print our model portion, this top plan. So we have to go to the same here, place boundary. Oh, 1 second. This is not visible. Open. See, this is one plan. Civil plan you can take. In this, you have to choose your drawing sheet, which type of thing you want to place. I need plan only, single plan. If you want double plan, like 1, 2, 3, 4 pages are there, so you can go with the A1 plan and plan. If you want to place plan and profile both, so go with the plan and profile plan. So right now I'm going to take a plan view. It is 1:100, 500, and you have to take it the previous one. I'm using suppose this London Road and going to print it into the drawing. Just you need to select our create drawing option and then select from where to where we need to print it. From start station 1 to this page. Okay, the drawing sheets are there. Now see the create drawing sheet will be created here. Plan 1 with name plan 1, 1:500 scale. All things are shown into the model. You want to open it or you want to into sheet index. You want to add it here also. To click on this add to sheet index. Click on OK. See, this is a plan view is printed here on a single one. And like this, we have multiple sheets. See, plan 1 sheet view first. This is one page. Plan view sheet 2. This is second portion. Plan view sheet 3. This is third. And this is our last sheet view. Okay, this is our end chain is 51.196.085. Okay, like this we can print our plan view. Clear? Is it clear? Similarly, sections we can create. Now I'm going to create for you new sections and print in a proper way. So go to the sections. I'm not taking London Road, I'm taking new. You can give here name London to Road 2. Okay. With -10, -10, +10, 40. Create that drawing. You want to show the dialog box? Yes, I want to see. And first we have to go to the default model. default, and then you have to create a new sections here. Now select your alignment and take it from, see it is taken from here to here, this portion only. Your software says 10 only, na? Let's create it. This one, start station. This is our end station. This is not a 3D view, na? We have to open its 3D view first. Then it will work. Here. Name boundary, place name boundary. File new. Name is 2. Now select the center line. Then start station and end station. Click to accept. You want to add to your index? Yes. Open in the model? Yes. All section will go to printed. See, this one is 50. This one is 50.00.023. Like this, we have multiple. It is not created. This one is here. This one is here. 0.3 is here. 3 sections created only. Multi-model view. What's this? All cross sections are not created. It's the same way we have created plan view, na? Similar, we have to create sheet view, but it's not generated. Only see 0.3 create. 0.3 sheet is there. Only single sheet is here. Then 0.5 here. 0.023 here. But when you are creating with the name boundary, na, it will create all. Now go for multi-model display. In this we have 3D. See, it's created one section, this one. It is not created. Okay, it means I'm taking too much more value, na? This one. Interval. We need to change it. Suppose I'm taking 1. That's why it is not created. Only 3 are created, na? Let's do that again. Then see how much it will create. It's a 50. Now see, it will show you multiple now. In case of 40, it is not visible, no? Let's change it again. 40 is more. Now let's take 5 interval. Now see, it will show you. Before this, the sections are not created at 40 interval. That's why it is not created multiple. Now see, multiple sections are created. So let's change it to, no, I'm taking 5. So multiples are created now. See how many are created till here. Accept. In a single page, now you can see. Now it will take some time to create all the section sheet on the sheets. Whenever it will create it now, let's see what is next here. We have created all the section on the sheets. Now it will show here in the name boundaries tab all single sections group, plan groups, or drainage if you have profile, all the things are visible in that in the name boundary dialog box. When it is completed now, then I show you all these things. First we go to create the profiles. Okay, then we create. After that, we can create a 2-point cross section. From where to where we need to click create a line, and then we can create the cross section over there. Then we have advanced cross section. The same thing. Only what cross section is this? It is 42% right now. It will create for every 5 interval. 48, 49. Now see, it is created. Let's see here. See how many sheets are there. Now we go with the first sheet. This is the last sheet, I think. See, it is a 51.196. This is the last sheet. Now we go to the first sheet. You can see here multiple objects. See this one. See here we have two. It's not there. Sheet, this one. See here we have multiple. Okay. Clear? How we can create the sheets? Okay. It is through name boundary. Now we go for multi-view. Again, we are in 2D and 3D shape. Now, next what we have to create the profile view here. So go to the name boundary, place name boundary object. Now we need to create a profile. We have to print it on the sheet. You see, the third option is the profile, civil profile. Click on it. You have to choose any profile portion. I'm taking plan and profile you want to print or only profile. So we go with the only profile first. Give the name to the file profile 1. Okay. And then if there's a group, you can select from the plan group. Otherwise, giving one name here. And we can select its profile I want to place. It is not taking its profile. Okay. It says this is not a profile view. Identify. Okay. Now first we need to open profile view. Okay. How we can open the profile view? Tell me. How we can see this profile? Just we need to close it first. Then select it, the horizontal alignment, and then hover on it. You can see its profile. Open that profile into view. I'm taking number of 4. Now this one we need to print to our sheet. So name boundary, profile, and select your profile view. See, it's taken 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets to print this profile. Okay. Now click to accept, and it is shown into your drawing sheet. Click on OK. Now 4 sheets are created more for the profile. See, this is the profile last view. Like this, we have 4 view profile. This is last. On the sheet, the 13, it is the second last. See, all data, all these things are visible on it. Oh, sorry, this is the plan view. Profile view, this first view profile of this. Here also all data, all elevation, height, all these things are visible. Okay. Second profile view, second sheet is this. Third sheet is this. And the last is fourth sheet here. This is the last point of your profile. Clear? If you have any doubt, ask me. Tell me any doubt. How to print? Now, if you want to print a section which is taken by a line, a single line. So we have another option, place boundary. This is the fifth option, civil cross section by a 2 point. Click on it. Now we need to use cross section. It is a group of new. Any name you want to give it here? I'm giving 3. Further section 5. Clear notice. Now you need to select your line and create your line. See, I need to create section like this or straight or any at angle. You want to create a cross section. There's 2 points are taken. Now select it and it is going to be print on the sheet. This line cross section. See, it is this. So taken at angle, so it is also printed on the sheet. Okay. This is by 2 point line. We can create section anywhere. Is it clear? Is it clear? Plan, profile, cross section, all cross sections and the 2 point cross section. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is completed now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next see what we have. Now we need to see the data, like this one. Mm, like this, all cross section in the same page, single page. So that is basically name boundary. So here we need to go to our home page. You have to go to this one. See, in the name boundaries, here we have a small icon. Click on it. This is name boundaries. Manage name boundary. Click on it. You will get that window in which all profile, all section views are there. See, they are visible right now. This is also visible. This is also visible. In this, we have 4 profiles. 4 sheets are there. In plan, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, L1 and 2 and 3. These are the London Road profile plan views there. In this, we have 4 sheets. The plan group is also linked with this. Okay, so all the data you can see here. And see the cross section London Road. How many are plans are there? See, these number of sheets are there. See how many sheets? Unnamed cross section, it is one only. We are created from 2 point. Okay, all are visible. If you want to hide, you can uncheck it so that it is not visible on this view sheet. Clear? This is about name boundary. Now first we are going to open our multi-model. Now next what we have, data you can see, advanced cross section. By a line you can create. Cross section annotation. Now see, we want to get the all data into our cross section sheets. That is our third exercise. Cross section annotation means all data chainage is not visible into the cross section. Now you want to see that data. So how we can do this data we need to see. So in our data it is already visible. This we already did. That is corridor objects. Now let's check first any cross section sheet. See, we get all data already. If you want to see the element sheet chart, so that's available in the corridor. In previous class, when we are learning this corridor, I told you about the corridor objects. This one. Here you get, now we are not in the front model. We have to open 3D model here. Then you can open corridor report. Select the corridor. This report, see. Then the parametric constraints. Our sheet is blank. See here in the corridor object, select our corridor. Parametric constraints. Here we have nothing. Hmm. In our file it is not created, but they will show into the previous file, that is corridor London Road. If you want to open it, this now we want to attach this file. It is available in the corridor London Road. Now I'm going to attach this. Okay, going to home, attach, downloads, corridor. It is not available in this. Corridor London Road, this one, but we need metric. Metric corridor London Road. See this one. Okay. Here, now check that corridor objects here. It is not active model, na? This we have to use terrain also. Nothing will be here. Okay, that is you can do. If you create it, na, you can do it. Going to detach. If you want, na, I will share you these all files. If you are using latest after 2020 version, these files are worked. Okay, these files are working. I'm using 18, that's why it is not working in my system. If you want, I share with you these all the files also. This is about the cross sections now. Now, if you're talking about the sheets, plan and profile, it is already I tell you, but if you want to see into the PDF, I'll show you it here. The same way we already did see this kind of portion, this kind of profile, we already placed. But if you want both in the same page, so I'll tell you, you have to choose plan and profile section. Okay, plan and profile. Right now we did what? We did single profile, single plan. If you want to place both in the same page, so you need to choose plan and profile only. Go to the civil plan. Here we have option na plan and profile. See, we have to choose this one in which both things are visible. Okay. Now shade on the create line. from here to here. Now, both things are placed in a same sheet, plan and profile. But make sure profile is already created. Otherwise, it will not show. Click on OK to get that sheet. The 4 sheets are created here with plan and profile both. That is blank here. Let's see, 7. Okay. Now see, profile is not here. Why? That is not opened in our sheet. Okay, let's do it again. And we need to open the profile view first. Select your line, hover, and open its profile also. Now it will place. See, both are available now. It is blank now. We have to create it again. You have to go to name boundary, plan and profile. Okay. Select from where to where you need to print. Select your alignment. Now from here, suppose I'm taking only single page, suppose till here. Only single sheet I'm created, okay? Quarter portion. Plan is not visible. Sorry, profile is not created here. First you are placing plan only, single plan. Then plan sheet. This is also plan sheet. The plan in a 2 sheet. Then we need to print the third plan and profile now. See, the same thing we need to do. There is nothing to do. Plan and profile. Plan and profile. The name you have to use create drawing only. We get this type of file directly. This one. Plan and profile. Plan is here, profile is not here. Okay, let's go to profile and then here you can select plan and profile. Let's try it here. Huh? Give the name here, suppose 20, plan 20, plan and profile. But first go to our model. Multiple things are there, okay? We have to create. Now in this case, we need to select our portion, plan profile, and then road 1. Okay. Use active vertical portion also. Now click on OK to see plan and profile both. Four sheets are created for it. See, profile also here, plan is also here, but they are overlapped. Here also we have both things, but they are overlapping. You have to see in both we have to scale we need to change. Okay, and we have to give the offset. This one on the top, plan profile view in the bottom. That is settings we need to do. Here we have station datum spacing 50-50, elevation spacing 1, bottom clearance 2, top clearance 1. Profile height, vertical acceleration is maximum, na? We need to change it to 5. And this profile height also we need to change. Okay, so that it is up and down we need to place. Take in also 5. Now try into our model display. Try it again. No, it's not working. On 24. Only profile is created. Just give you separate. So now easily you can create a plan and profile view. Okay. You can try it more. 1 second, huh? Wait. Hello. Now we have sheet index. I already tell you how to see this. It is on the property toolbar. You can see sheet index, how many sheets are created, for which purpose we are created, for plan, profile, section, okay, 2-point profile. So that we all seen in this. Okay, these are about plan and profile. This is profile view. Separate profiles you can create. This is plan view on a single sheet. You can change the scale and you can print it on a single sheet also. But we are printing into A1 sheet as 1:500 ratio. We can change the scale size and we can print into a single sketch. That is very easy to print. Okay, this is also we can print. Labels already there. Now this is how we can print our data to the sheets. What we created into the MXROD, we can use and we can print into the sheet views. Okay. This is your open dot. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Hello?
Sir.
Not ask me if you have any doubt related to this open rod. I'm sharing with you these two sheets, two PDFs also, in which you can create the cross section and print, in which you are place. The second we have plan and profile. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you not practice, then practice and take the help from these PDFs. Otherwise, you can call me also. You have my number. When you practice, if you're facing some problem, doubts, you can ask me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Krishna, Raghav.
Yes, sir.
What I am saying, you listen that, na?
Okay, sir. Yeah, I listen, sir.
Okay. What we learn into OpenRod? We learned how to analyze our data, how to import our data. Then we have to import our terrain file. We have to merge the alignments, the aerial topo with the terrain. Then we can create the horizontal alignment. We create the vertical alignment, or we can say the profile. Then we are created uh, how to create manually the corridor or automatic corridor. Then we create the super elevation on this. Then we are creating the sections. Then we seen all these things to print into the paper. Okay. And all quantities portion, component quantities, element quantities, how much cutting and filling are there. We seen in the this syllabus of open rod. Yes. Now first you have to complete practice of it. Then you can, if you're facing some problem, you can call me. You can message me. Clear? Now do the practice. And I think today's the last class, na?
Hello.
Yes, Raghav. Yes, Raghav.
Sir, today is the last class, sir?
All the things are completed, no?
But in portal it is showing 25th Jan
Sorry?
end date. In the portal, hello.
Yes, what happened?
Sir, in Cloud Campus portal it is showing 25th Jan is the end date, of course, sir.
No.
Yeah, it is showing 25th, 25th, 2023 end date.
What is the timing there?
8:30 to 10:30.
It will start from
8:30 to 10:30.
no.
Jan 09 2023 start date.
Hmm.
End date is 25th Jan.
Not possible. There are 10 days classes, na?
Yeah, 10 days class, but I don't know it is showing here. No, that's why I asked, sir.
It will be 25 when it will we are taking the classes for 1.5 hour. 8:30 to 10 only. Then it is for 15 days. Otherwise, it will for a 10 days class for 2 hours.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir. Sir, what about intersection design and those things, sir?
Sorry.
Intersection designs, is that?
So you can create now. First,
Uh,
you are not practicing
intersection.
anything. Now you're asking for the intersection. So first you
No.
create that line. See, we have created a single horizontal alignment right now.
Yeah.
Okay. You are not practicing anything. You are creating one junction there. So
Yeah,
I
sir.
told you manually how we can create a junction. I told you, na,
Yes, sir.
beyond center line.
Yes.
I told you the intersection also, I think. Before
Yeah.
creating the corridor, I will tell
Uh,
you how to create the pavement manually, how to create junction, how to create the roundabout. I told you all the things.
okay, sir.
You remember or not?
Actually, I didn't remember. That's why I asked, sir.
See, when we are going for geometry, before this geometry, after this geometry, we are going to print it, na? See, into the
Yes.
geometry, we have options. This one we are taking, na, offset and tapers. Remember?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are creating for the junction also, na? We are using trim command there. We are using arc and roundabout.
Yes,
How to
yes.
create? We can change
Yes.
into the feature definition to create the edge of pavement. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
I remember.
manually we can create that all the intersection roads.
Okay, sir.
When you created that intersections, you can apply the same all portion, the corridor, super elevation, like this. We can apply on that also.
Okay,
The
sir.
same thing.
Sir, share the file, sir.
I'm sharing. Wait.
Okay, sir.
You can see this file beyond center line in which we are completed this portion, intersection portion. First I'll share with you this one, then I'll show you that also. Check your mail. Now I show you that intersection portion. This one beyond the center line. This one. See, I told you this one, no? These all roundabout. See this type of tapers. This kind of intersection. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
kind
I
of
remember that.
roundabout. How we can create. So we can create these
Yes.
all things. Sketchup. Don't do it online, Madan.
What, sir?
You are sharing me the screenshot, na?
This file, sir. Sir, my server activation key, sir.
Yeah, don't do it on online. This is offline crack you need to do.
Online. Hello, sir. 7
Yes.
days complete.
Sorry.
Sir, for 2 minutes wait, sir.
You need to crack, dear.
Crack है sir.
That is not crack, na?
The crack all download sir.
Sorry.
Already working 7 days sir. Today not open sir.
No, you need to crack now, no? You are not cracking it.
Sir need crack है sir.
Wait, I'll show you it. You have to go to.
Sir get in PC already download sir. Get in PC.
That is okay, but you are down. See the video, na? How to install it, how to crack it. See the video and crack like that.
Some again మళ్ళీ install sir. Again మళ్ళీ install sir software.
Software you are install it, na? Now you need to crack it.
Sir 1 minute I am explain. No? Already download sir get crack.
Crack is downloaded, na? Okay.
7 days working sir. 1 week working. Sir today by activate.
I'm not saying you are installing, you are downloading software only. You need to crack it now. There is a procedure to crack the software for lifetime. Otherwise, it's a demo. You can use it 7 days only.
Okay, 7 days. Okay.
7 days are over, so it is not going to open. So you need to crack it. I show you it. 1 second. Get into PC. Oh, sorry. Or which version you are using? 18 or 20 or 21?
18 sir.
Now I'm going to YouTube. I show you the crack portion. How to crack it? Huh? Open road. Installation. Twenty 18. See here. Now see software when you installed it, na?
Okay.
It is RCAM. Download 18 AutoCAD. It's not visible on YouTube. You see its video how to install the software. You installed it, but you have to crack it also.
Right.
After all these files installation, you need to. All the files are installed. Now see, we have to go to crack and copy these two files
Crack,
into the installation folder. You did that? See? these two files into the crack folder you get. Copy these
Okay.
two files and go to paste into the open road folder into the program files. See, I'll show you it here. We have to copy it. Now right click on the open dot logo
Okay.
and file location. You have to open its file location and here you need to paste it. Copy and replace. That's it. You need to do this one and you can reboot your system and restart it again. It is working.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
If you are not pasting these two files, it is only for 7 days.
Only 7 days, huh?
But if you are copy these two files,
Hmm.
then it is for lifetime.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Nothing, sir. I ask some questions, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
ask me.
So already I have done as per instruction,
Sorry.
but I want to know about the hairpin bands design for hairpin bands because I am working on hill area. Hairpin bands, hairpin bands. Can I design in open road?
Which one? What you want to design in open road?
Hairpin bands, curves, hairpin band curves, hairpin band curves.
1 second. Just spell out.
हेयरपिन बैंड कर्व हेयरपिन बैंड होता है ना सर जस्ट हेयरपिन बैंड शार्प कर्व हेयरपिन बैंड कर्व
Hmm. How to you can create through uh, geometry center line. Na? I show you that into the beyond center line. When you are creating it, na, use
सर
these
सर
options.
ओके सर
Sharp arcs you need to create, na. So suppose we have one center line having sharp node. You have to create. You have to go for the simple arc for between these two. So you can create anything. You have to create the alignment first, na. Then you can create its offsets for
ओके
pavement.
ओके पेमेंट डिजाइन्स देन ऑफसेट्स दैट्स no problem but when we come to hilly area hilly roads
Hmm.
definitely hilly roads there is so many hairpin bands just like only
Yes,
when
you can
I
create. You can create. See, for that portion, you have that kind of data also, no? The hilly area data you need to get first. If you had that, then you have the center line curve. So you need to create that curve with the help of how much radius you require on the curves. Okay, first you need to
okay
create the center line, no? Master center line.
okay
For that,
so
you need to
one
use
thing
these
I want to
commands.
know so it's okay no problem but
Hmm.
one thing when I done the survey and I
Yeah.
input the points can I input the points to input the points in which format it is not DGN formats it only ASCII2 formats and text formats
No,
It's a
no,
better.
no. If you open your any file, then you go to file, and here we have multiple import options. Now, see, click on this import
Okay.
and see how many files are there. See, you can import
TGN
DWG, DGN, cell library, DGN,
drawing.
LIP, RDL, S,
Okay. Tax file.
text file you can
CS.
import, image you can import,
Okay. Okay. Done.
tab file.
When
These
I
are the common. These are the common files you can import, or you can use exchange files. These files also you can import. See, IGS, IFC, RFA, Revit file, step file. If you have these files, you can also import these two. If you have 3D files directly, you can open 3D modeling files too. Sketchup file, 3ds Max file, any
hello.
parasolid file, STL file. These are 3D files. You can open that also.
Okay. Okay. When I open it, can I draw the simple with simple line? Draw
Hmm?
the alignment.
When you are,
Sir, when I have import the points
yeah,
into open rows, then
okay.
can I draw the profiles by the points?
Yes, first day when we are created this alignment, we also did the same thing.
Which
We opened
simple
one
lines, sir.
aerial
Draw
topo.
with simple. Can
Sorry.
you draw with simple lines?
Yes, with the help of lines, na. See, these are the lines.
Okay.
Line between the points you can use, na.
Okay. When I draw the line of between the points and the with arcs. Okay. Then create the alignments.
Hmm. First you create line and arc, create the alignment. Then we need to convert
Okay.
into complex geometry that shows you horizontal alignment. You
Yes. Yes.
missed the starting classes, I think, na. That's why you are not getting.
No, no problem. So I can do it.
You
Horizontal
are some classes you are late, na.
one class is missed, sir. Only. Otherwise, every class I attended.
This is we did in the first classes. First, I think third class when
Okay,
we
I
are
saw you.
creating the horizontal alignment.
Okay, I will show you the desktop. Desktop.
See the recordings for it, okay?
No.
If you have point data in text format, you can import into OpenROD, then directly draw with the help of these lines. And then joining the line by using this complex geometry so that it will convert into horizontal design. Okay? Then
Okay,
you
sir.
need to attach that lines because that is 2D line, first of all. But you need to attach with the data. So you need to open the terrain file or the data file and you can attach these two in
How to
3D and
create it,
2D.
sir?
Okay.
When I import the points, how to create a terrain data?
Hmm.
So you have sent all the data in terrain or the
See,
DGN
what you
file.
importing na, that is a terrain data.
Terrain data. Only terrain data.
That shows terrain. If you are talking about the boundary only, that is terrain boundary. That
Okay.
in the boundary we have points, na. If you have
So
contour file, you can open contour file as well.
okay. Okay. Then so one question.
Yes.
If there is a existing road and
Hmm.
existing road is I have surveyed the existing road only,
Okay.
and there is improvement of curve required.
Hmm.
If there is required for improvement of curve, then how to do it?
What again? You want to change into the existing curves?
No, no, sir.
Hmm.
Change the existing curves and to improve the change the curve to improve, change the radius and show them, "Okay, this is existing and this is forward. uh, design existing and design. That's both are show in a particular drawings. Same drawings I can show it. This is existing curves. That radius is must be 15, and I have improved it, and that radius should be 14, 30, just like 20 minimum in hilly area. How can
No,
you do it?
we can do. But first of all, you have to take that file, na,
Okay.
in which we have to modify. See, here we have modify tool. You can modify start station. You can copy the element. You can append the element here. In this, you can change. You want, if there is
So, sir,
no fillet, no curve, you can insert the fillet there.
okay. Can you give me any examples? I need an example.
You need the
Example.
example, but they didn't have any file, na?
So I give you the file. Just a minute. Hello. So, hello.
Hello?
So, how to import the points, sir? Can you
Sorry?
say again, sir? How to import the points? Uh,
How
Text
to
point,
import the points means
text points, sir. Text points, survey points.
text, na? You have to go
Okay.
to file,
Okay.
import,
Import
common file types,
common file types.
and go down. Here we have text.
Import common.
Click, and yeah, now you can open. Now suppose I have one file. 1 second. Let me open it up.
Okay, sir.
I'm opening a blank file first. Take a new file. Now I'm going to import one text file here. I show you that data also, na? That data is here. This is our text file in which we have strings also and points also. This is our
Okay.
text file. Okay.
Mhm.
This file we are
Okay.
importing. Krishna, where are you from last 10 days?
So I am
Why
now Arunachal.
why you are nahi, I'm asking, you are asking the questions on the last day. Why you are not asking it before?
Because I have not attended the class properly, sir. Because I have posting now on Arunachal Pradesh and there is so many network problems.
Okay.
And I see all the videos and try to do it.
This file is too heavy, I think. So the open node is closed. It is not opening. Krishna, you can open in your system, na? The text file. If it is not open, na, you can ask me separately. You can call me.
Sir, I can open. Just a minute, sir. I try to open it. Tax.
I open it is not responding right now. Just try to open the let's check. See, there is nothing. Now we need to import again. The open node is again not responding. Is it open in your system, Krishna?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm
Mm.
trying, but not
And my
open.
file is heavy. That's why it's not opening.
I'm trying, but attached tool I can do it, sir. Only AutoCAD file is only attached. DGN file are attached only, no?
DGN is attached only.
Okay.
As a reference, you can use DGN files.
But
All files we can import, but it's not responding. Otherwise, I'll show you that.
so I am
Import is very easy. Okay, just you have to go to the select which particular extension you want to use. Select that and select the file, and you can open. It will visible directly.
okay, sir. I can try it and give you the. It is import, but not shown my
Click on
my
this fit
Windows.
fit click on this fit
Fit
view.
view. Fit view. Click it. Fit view actively. That's so file is active, but not shown in the window. Not shown. So can I share my desktop? Window?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, share please. Click.
Close the program. And click the fit view, sir.
No, it is asking again. Click. Click on the view. No, not fit view. Click on the screen. When we cross is there, na, it asking for you have to select one view.
Okay.
Now click fit view.
Again,
Show me the data. Show me the data first. Which data you are importing. Open that data into text into Notepad.
Okay.
Your screen is not visible.
That's the data.
Your screen is not visible.
See. Now visible, sir.
Now visible.
This is data.
Open
Text
it. Open it.
Open, sir.
Open it into Notepad. Just double click on it, na? It will open.
Open, sir. Not sharing.
Right click and open with the Notepad. I want to see it first. Which kind of
Okay.
data is this? Again, the screen is not visible.
This is the notepad.
The screen is not visible.
See?
That is okay.
Now visible, sir.
This one. You are sharing only one window, na? Entire desktop you need to share. Then all the pages I can see. Now I'm see only Notepad file.
So
When you close that window, I'm not able to see anything. When you are going to share, na, entire
desktop.
Entire desktop you need to share. Don't click on window, click on the screen.
Now visible, sir.
Visible.
This is the point, sir. Notepad.
Okay. Is it okay? Now close it. Now see the notepad. Sorry, see the open rod.
This is the points. All the data, server data in text format. Contour, hillsides, surface. Just like the boundary lines of this. Create the contours. Hello.
Yes.
You see the
Open road. Go to open road, no? Now.
open road. That's open roads, imports, then tax. Okay, see, open. Click here. It is not responding.
Your screen is stuck.
Shit.
Zoom it.
I can try it, sir.
Zoom.
You, this is not responding. Chota file. This is small files. This is data only. That's data, notepad data. Nothing easing and the coordinates.
Where you are seeing? I'm not able to see. Your screen again is stuck.
I can see it. Share. This type of data only it is exported, imported. This is nothing easing the coordinates, not the points are visible.
It is not the correct format, I think.
What the problem, sir? Only the data, nothing easing and the coordinates are visible, not the points are visible.
No. This is not a correct portion.
How can do it, sir?
This is not a correct
Any
format
SKI
for it. Only written data will be visible, na?
Okay, yes, sir. Written
Hmm.
data are visible. Which
No,
is
this is not
incorrect format,
required.
sir.
This is not in the format. That's why.
Okay. But when I
When I show you the data, na, that is in the format. That format will
okay,
be
sir.
necessary, na?
Okay. Give me, sir. I can try it.
Okay.
Which format, sir? So,
I'll show you. 1 second.
share me, sir.
See this one.
I can visible the okay.
See, this is kind of data.
Oh,
Commands are also there. Okay. The other strings. One curve
so this
in
type
which
of data is the
these
not.
points are there.
This is the raw data.
You want to see this data into actual? I show you that also, but I can show into the MX road.
Hello.
Yes.
This is the max road, sir.
To the next one. This is the data. Okay.
Okay.
It is look like this. That particular survey data look like this. That is the correct format. Okay, so that it will import into the MX road, open road, and any. I'm going to open this data open into open road, no? That is I'm trying, but my open road is not working. Otherwise, it's importing like this. Clear? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we can close the session.
Okay, sir. Sir, one question.
Yes.
If I draw in AutoCAD, then I put the points in the XM format to open road.
Sorry.
Sir,
If
the
your
point
file in
I
AutoCAD, you want to open into open road, na?
huh,
You can open, na?
open road.
See in the common files, first option is DWG.
Okay.
Go through with that and open your
Then
CAD file.
okay.
Okay.
I tried, but okay, my points are transport to import to the AutoCAD and draw all the points, but not importing open road directly. So okay, sir. Good night.
Okay. Good night.
Sir, hello. This is our last class, no? This is our
Yes.
last class, no, sir?
Huh.
Sir, only one question.
Yes.
When I get any problem, I have called to you, then please
Yes, you can call me.
to guide
Yes, you can.
guidance. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good night all.
Good night, sir.
Good night.